Hello everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about the working of switch statement along with an example. So now we will discuss about break and continue statements. What is break statement? When we use break statement is generally used to terminate the execution of the nearest enclosing loop in which this break statement appears. When the break statement is encountered in a program, the control is passed to the statement that follows the loop in which the break statement appears. So generally break statement is very simple to write the syntax of its one, that is break followed by a semicolon. Generally we use this break statement in switch statement in which if the break statement is missing, then every case from the matched case label to the end of the switch including in default is executed. So this is an example to demonstrate break statements, right? So I declared I is equal to 0 as integer data type. It will check while I is less than equal to 10, right? It enters the loop. If I is equal to 5, right, as soon as 5 I value becomes 5, it will enter this loop. Now the value of I is 0, therefore it will not enter this loop. It will come here and print the value of I, that is 0. Then I is equal to I plus 1. I has become 1. Now again comes here, it prints I is equal to 1. Similarly 2 3 it has printed 2 3 4. Now when I value becomes equal to 5, it checks that it will enter this loop and breaks out of this loop and comes here and it is 0, right? So it has printed only value up to 0 1 2 3 4, right? This is the use of having a break statement. Next we have continuous statement. So a continuous statement, this can only appear in the body of a loop, right? When compiler encounters a continuous statement, it only skip that scope that loop only once, right? And again it comes back in the same loop, right? When the continuous statement is encountered, it will skip the remaining statements and it will goes further, right? The statement is like this: continue followed by a semicolon, right? We'll see one example how this continuous statement works, right? So for to demonstrate this one, so I declared I as integer type variable. I have used for loop here. For I is equal to 0, the program starts with I is equal to 0 and it will run up to I is less than or equal to 10. And so increment, this is increment statement, it is I plus plus. Now if I is equal to 5, right, I is equal to 5, what I have written is continue. Now I is not equal to 5, so therefore this will not enter this loop, directly comes here, print I value is 0. Next cycle prints I value 1 2 3 4. When I is equal to 5, it enter this loop, right? And you can see that continue means it skips this next statement and again comes back here. I is equal to 6 7 8 9 10 are printed here, right? This is how continuous statement works. Then we have go to statement, right? So this is when the go to statement is encountered in a program, again transfer is again control is transferred to specified label. Label can be anywhere in the program which is followed by a colon symbol, right? So we must keep in mind that whenever we use go to statement, label can be placed anywhere in the program either before or after the go to statement. So whenever this go to statement is encountered, the control is immediately transferred to the statement following the label. It will go to that label location. And if label is placed after go to statement, then it is called a forward jump, and if it is located before the go to statement, then it is called as a backward jump. So this is an example how go to statement works. See here, As soon as this go to read is encountered, the control is shifted to again where read is there, read it is there. From here the program starts working. Again re-executed program from this point onwards.